Good morning. Today's poem, Sing a Song of People. Sing a Song of People. Sing a Song of People means a song we will sing for the people. Means what kind of people we see all around. Because nowadays everyone is busy on their work. Maybe to attend a duty, maybe to go school, maybe to go office, maybe for marketing, maybe for journey, maybe for a train or maybe for a aeroplane to go from one place to another place. So everybody are busy. So basing on that, there is a poem written by Louis Livingsky. Louis Livingsky. Okay, listen. Sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. People on the subway, underneath the ground. People riding taxis, round and round and round. People with their hats on, going in the doors. People with umbrellas when it rains and pours. People in tall buildings and in stores below. Riding elevators, up and down they go. People walking singly, people in a crowd. People saying nothing, people talking loud. People laughing, smiling. Grumpy people too. People who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. Fast or so. Some people they walk slowly, fastly. On them we will talk. Sing means here we will discuss, talk. People in the city, especially in cities, the life is very busy. See children, suppose if you go to a market here in Visakhapatnam or big cities, of course in villages we can't find, but in cities, in metros, in big towns, we find people are busy for different work, to complete their work as early as possible to reach their home. Okay, so people up and down they go. Up or down means it is not hill area or ground area, means towards east, towards west, towards east, west, and towards north, towards south. All four sides they will be moving. People on the sidewalk. Sidewalk means on what? Footpaths are there in cities. On footpaths also they walk. People on the bus. That time people will be going towards the bus. People passing back and front of us. Just we walk. So many people they come from front. They come from this right side. Some they go or come from left side. Even some old people, even small children, different families with so much luggage. It looks very wonder to see. People on the subway. What is the subway, children? Subway means a bridge like. On the bridge, buses they go or vehicles move. Down the bridge also vehicles move. That is a subway. Here the best example near NAD junction in Visakhapatnam. In Dondaparthi or Convent junction there is a subway. Here also in subway it is being constructed in NAD. Right? A new road is opened. On the road some vehicles are going and some vehicles are passing down the bridge. That is called subway. Underneath the ground, even some roads are made underneath, below the earth. tunnels like, we say it as a tunnel, underneath the ground. People riding taxis. Acha, here underneath the ground means, children, if you go to Orku in train, you see so many tunnels, the train goes. When a tunnel come, we see it's dark, night like, they are called underneath. Okay, such kind of grounds are also there everywhere, where buses, taxis, vehicles, they move. Even people also walk. People riding taxis, people going taxis, car. Taxi means car. Hiring cars are called taxis. Round and round and round means, round means here what? They go drop the people. They come out again bringing the people. They go from this side to that side. Wherever people wanted to go, by paying they move. Okay, so it is called round and round and round. All the 24 hours also they move here and there. May not be same people, different people. People with their hats on. Hat means cap, putting the cap on their head. Some people for beauty sake they put. Some people they put the cap to save from sunlight. Some to for fun they put. Okay, going in the doors. Some they go through the doors. Doors means, suppose bus is there, bus door will be there, no? Through the door they enter into the bus. Okay, or train doors they pass to sit in the train. People with umbrella when it rains and pours. Even some people who see umbrella, they hold umbrella. Why we hold umbrella? If it is too hot, if sunlight is more, we hold umbrella. Or if it rains severely, or even a little rain come, we hold one umbrella. And pour means water coming from up, from sky, clouds pouring, water coming, then also we hold umbrella. People in tall buildings, in cities, towns, we see flat, we say. Even in Nausanabag, even in NAD junction, we see very big, even 15-20 storied buildings. Okay, they are called tall buildings. In that people sit, and through windows they see here and there. How nice it is to see. Even some people they go in hurry-burry. Even they ride in elevators. What is this elevator? Elevator means in what is that, Big Bazaar or Central CMR, we see some elevators. They take the people, simply we stand means it is slowly go. Their way, wherever flat we wanted to get down, we will get down to for purchase or to adjust. These are called elevators. Okay, elevators, they are like crane. Up and down they go. Wherever they want, they use elevators to go up and down. Okay, people walking singly. Some people go alone. Single means one. Because they don't have work with their family. Why do they take family? They go alone. People in crowd. Sometimes, suppose in a family there are 4 or 5 people, means together they go. Even a crowd means many different at a time. Bus has come, so all the people get down. If train has come, all the people come out of the train from the station to out. Then crowd will be there. We can see crowd means many people together they walk. If no one is there, singly also we see. Okay, so that we call walking single or people in crowd. People saying nothing, people talking loud. Some people they go silently, they say nothing means silently some people go. And some people they talk so much about their journey, about their experience, about their what some market purpose, about something they talk and move. Means what here we say means we talk about the people. Okay, people laughing, smiling, grumpy people too. Some people they say, they cut jokes and they laugh. Some people they see some funny things, they smile, or some with some purpose they smile, laugh. But some grumpy people to some serious, for everything they seriously people go. That also we see. People who just hurry. Some people are hurry means to catch the bus. If time over means they wanted to go hurriedly, so speedily they go without talk, without smile, without laugh, and never look at you. When they are hurry, they won't see this side and that side. They just want to catch the bus. Or some without work also they are so hurry. Looks to be very hurry, though they don't have any work. So this is what sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. So these we can find in city almost. In villages people are so less, so we can't find. But in cities, towns, in metros like Bombay, Bangalore, Calcutta, Delhi, we find these people running, moving, and in groups, in single, in taxis, in autos, this side, that side, in so many streets, in main street, in big buildings. Okay, right? Thank you, children. Right.